Kunye nje vo kufanele kwenziwe iBanyana Banyana uma isigadulisana neSerbia eStarapazova ngesonto elizayo ukuguqisa leli qembu lase-Europe esilikela thela uthulini iGermany neRussia.
We've beaten Germany in a World Cup qualifier. They've played Russia, lost to them and beat them. But what they bring is the physicality. Technically, they're really good, and up front, they're really quick. So to really test us, it's important for us to be tested, but also we chose them in terms of what they offer.
Ukuzimisela kweBanyana kwaholela ekutheni bengompetha bebhola lase-Afrika. Unozintwayo Andile Dlamini wanqoba umklomelo womdlali ovelele emncintiswaneni wezindondo wezemidlalo kuleli. Kepha lokho ngeke kumdidise kulomsebenzi omkhulu obahlalele.
When it's time for people to celebrate, you allow people to celebrate. But when it's time to work, you work. That's how we work at the national team. And I believe that if you are given an opportunity to shine, yes, you have to shine, but also remain humble.
Umdlalo weBanyana Banyana wobungani neSerbia uzoba ngomsombuluko.